The meaning of plants. Primula vulgaris, the common primrose. In various cultures, this plant represents or means bashfulness, belonging, cleansing, courage, first love, flow, gentleness, kindness, the stages of life, nurturing, opening, patience, peaceful sleep and youth. To some people, the 5 petals on a primrose represent stages of life: birth, initiation, consummation, repose, and ultimately death. In medieval times, some people thought that eating primrose flowers allowed fairies to come and visit, then they could be asked to bring good luck. And it was an old Celtic belief that seeing a patch of primroses was a gateway into the land of the fairies. In Old Norse culture, primroses were used as offerings to the goddess Freya, the goddess of love. Here is a short extract from the actually quite long poem The Tuft of Primroses by William Wordsworth. Once more I welcome thee, and thou, fair plant, fair primrose, hast put forth thy radiant flowers, all eager to be welcomed once again. Oh, pity if the faithful spring, beguiled by her accustomed hopes, had come to breathe upon the bosom of this barren crag, and found thee not, but thou art here, revived, and beautiful as ever like a queen. Thank you for watching this short video about the meaning of primroses. If you enjoyed it, it would be brilliant if you could click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.